So here is the print right here. Actually turned out all right. I did notice a couple things. One was right here, and there was another couple sags right in the corner right over here. So still learning on the Ender 5, but the detail is remarkably good, and I'm pleased with the silk look, and it actually does all right for holding the phone. Right? Looks okay. Overall, I think I'm quite pleased. So there's where she be. The level of detail using Cura at superfine is good. I did a skirt rather than a full raft, but I'm not sure if I like that so much. Being one of my very first prints and superfine, I think I did okay.